All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Booze and Hacking. I am your host, Dark Hoodie, and we're back with another TryHackMe room. This one is called Cyborg, and it is described as a box involving encrypted archives, source code analysis, and more. So as we take a look down, as you see, I've got my IP address in effect. The room has been deployed. That was task 1. In task 2, we have a series of questions to answer, including our 2 flags. So let's get into it, but first let's talk about what we're drinking. This is Junmai Daijinjo Sake Platinum to be exact. Had the pleasure of having some Japanese for New Year's, and this is my wife's favorite and mine as well. Sake is Japanese rice wine, and I won't say it's especially strong, but I will say that among the sakes that I've tried, this one is especially flavorful if you like this sort of thing. This bottle is very small. I wish I could find a big enough bottle. If anybody knows where I can find a big bottle, please let me know. But this is what I'm having. So if you are in the mood for a drink, by all means, please pour yourself something and let's get into the room. So as you can see, I've done my Nmap scan already. And let's see what we found. So it looks like there are 2 open ports here. Port 22 is running OpenSSH over Ubuntu. And port 80 is running an Apache web server over Ubuntu as well. And so that is basically it. So let's take a look at the Ubuntu page. So it's 10.10.223.59. So we have our standard default page for Ubuntu. Nothing unusual here. Let's have a look at the source code, see if there's anything telling in here. So it looks like this is your run-of-the-mill default Apache page. I don't see anything here sticking out that might tell us anything. So I knew that I would probably need to run a Ghostbuster, so I actually have one running right now. And we're checking for some extra subdirectories. So far there seem to be 3, and we're getting close to the end. Let's see what these produce. So we have a /admin and a /etc. Look at that. /admin has produced something here. It says, and you know, for an admin page, that should not have gone in so easily. My name is Alex. I'm a music producer from the UK, and this is my office. He's got a link to Spotify and a link to Instagram and a little story about his childhood. Huh. He's got something else here. It says admin shoutbox. Are we all going to watch the football game at the weekend? Yeah, mate, absolutely. Hope they win. Seems like sort of a space for chatting. So there's a link here to archives, listen, and downloads. Let's look and see what's in listen first. All right, well, I play the drums in a band, so do I. I edit my music myself. Okay, there's nothing here. Let's go to download. Oh, there's an archive.tar that's downloading. I have to keep that in mind. I'm sure this conversation might tip me off to something, I hope. Let's see. I heard these proxy things are supposed to make your website secure. Might pass it over to the IT guys, but in the meantime, all the config files are laying about, and since I don't know how it works, I'm not trying to delete them. Hope they don't contain any confidential info, lol. Other than that, I'm pretty sure my backup music archive is safe, just to confirm. So this backup file might be of interest to us. Let's take a look at the Etsy one now. And we have a folder called Squid. All right. Okay, and now we've got two more things here, password and squid.conf. So let's see what would happen. Look at this. There's a hash here. And there's the aforementioned music underscore archive that admin dude must have mentioned. All right. I'm going to go look at that again, but let's see what squid.conf says. So here's a path here, Etsy Squid password, children 5, Squid basic authentication. Okay, well, we found some configuration info and a username, which I'm assuming is going to be Alex, I hope. I'm going to copy this. Let's get back to my terminal. Oh, okay. So my GoBuster finished, and yep, here's admin in Etsy. Okay. I'm going to open up another tab. And I'm going to save this hash to a file. See if I can possibly crack it. Let's see. Echo. Let's do this. We'll call it hash. We'll call it music hash. All right, let me make sure it's here. There it is. Okay. And hash ID. No. Hash identifier. Is this the one? I always forget there's two ways. Hash identifier. I'll use this. Let's see, one hash, one possible algorithms. Oh, it could be an MD5. All right, that's pretty good. I got two things that say MD5, so that helps. Let's go to Crack Station, since it's an MD5. Oh, nothing. Okay. All right. So in that case, let's run with Hashcat, maybe. I should memorize these things. Hashcat number for MD5. I know there's a number we have to use. Here we go. Where's that code number? Nope. I am not going to waste any time. Of course. I should have done this earlier, but then again I didn't know, so. Where did I put my phone? Rats. Hang on while I get my phone. All right. Let's get... Okay. What is the Hashcat code number for MD5? Oh. Well, it says, I thought it was different, but it says here it's 0. So, okay. Let's do hashcat-m 0. And my file is called music hash. Huh. I did not get anything. No hash is loaded. Maybe. Do I need the dot text? Nope. Oh yeah, I should conclude the dictionary attack. Nope, still nothing. Let's just do hashcat. I don't think that 0 is the one. Oh, this looks like something I could use. So it has here MD5 is 0. There's also a 70 here. MD5, password salt. Now I think I have a salt. I'm pretty sure I have a salt in there. I see 2600. Favorite magazine. I wonder. All right. They should list all the MD5s together. wonder what 70 would do. Okay, I'm going to find the right one if it kills me. What are the hash modes for MD5? Oh, here we go. Apache, because that's what we're dealing with, right? Let's try 1600. Maybe this is the one. Still nothing. You know what? I'm going to get rid of this. Well, it's got to be this, because this is how the other hash came out in the file. Cat music hash.text. Cat music hash. All right. So now oh, that did it. I shouldn't have included that dot text, but it looks like it's doing something now. So now I have to be patient. All right, well, I guess while this is cooking, I'll pause for the time being. Oh, wait. Starting up. Did I get a hit? Oh. I was going to bounce, but it looks like it finished. Squidward. Okay. All right. So I got a password and I got a username. I think it's Alex. All right. But you know what? I haven't answered any questions. Scan the machine. How many ports were open? 2. All right. What service is running on 22? As usual, it's SSH. And what service is running on 80? May as well be proper. HTTP. Okay. So the first easy ones are done. Oops. Now we need a user flag and a root flag. All right, and now that I've got a password, let's see. we were going to look at that file, archive.tar. I have too much stuff in here. Archive.tar, there it is. I guess I should try to open her up, see what's in there. Let's do tar-xf archive.tar. I should have gotten something. Let's go to downloads and archive.tar. I think that's it. Oh, there's a folder in there called home. Field dev. Final archive. What's in here? Some configuration files. There is a README. This is a Borg backup repo. See borgbackup.readthedocs. I have no idea what a Borg backup is. Is it like a Star Trek thing? What is a Borg backup? And here's the config file. Oh, there's an ID and a key of some sort. It might be base 64, I'm not sure, but it looks like it could be. That could be of use to us. I'm going to minimize this. Let's look up Borg. See what that tells us. I'll get rid of my sake now. Borg backup. Borg backup. Deduplicating, is that a word? Archiver with compression and encryption. Borg backup gives you space. Alright, so it's some kind of backup. Alright. Let's look at that site. In the README, maybe that's something. Okay, this looks better. What is a Borg backup? A deduplicating backup program supports compression and authenticated encryption. Alright, so it's a backup of some sort. And I don't think I have this. I've never needed it before. Let's echo add new nice file. Create stats progress compression. Enter passkey. Alright. Alright. Let's open up another terminal. Well, okay, sudo apt install Borg backup. Maybe I can find some use for this at some point, apart from today. Alright, it's here. I'm assuming that I can open up archives as well as create them. Alright, well, so archive.tar. There should be, I think I unzipped it. Is there a folder called archive, which I don't see here anywhere? And that's vexing, because I thought I... did that xf command here, tar xf. Maybe I have to make this executable. Alright, there it is. Well, I know that. Let's see. All right, need to figure something out. I'll be back in a few. All right, I had to do some putzing around because for some reason, every time I tried to extract the archive, I wasn't getting the folders that I wanted for some reason. So what I did was I went into my downloads folder and where is that file now? And where is archive? So what I did was I went here and I did this, and I saw inside there was home, field, dev, final archive, and then here's where the files. So this, I believe, is what I'm going to be using Borg for. So what I did was I went back here and I did an extract from here. And having done this now, I can go back to my terminal. As you see here, I found the final archive folder that I extracted, and here are those files that we just saw. And now it's asking for a passkey, which I believe is what I found here. I hope. We're going to try this one first. So it says Squidward, right? I'm going to try Squidward. Squidward. Nice. Okay. It's given me something. So Squidward did work. It's encrypted, yes. I've got some more encryption keys, it looks like here. Let's see. I need to use that Borg again. Here's Borg create. We don't have to do that. I want to extract. So here's that ID from that's up here. And here's the key. Yep, the ID is the same. I'm going to cat the README for a second. Okay, we saw that before. All right. What's in data? CD 0. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I need to extract this, and I don't know how. So, and I don't know which one to extract. So I'm going to cat them all. Cat hints.5, cat hints.5. All right. Cat index.5. All right, that's a bunch of junk. That looks encrypted for sure. Integrity.5. All right. Nonce. Cat nonce. All right. I'm missing something. What's Borg list? Oh. Let's give list a shot. Maybe that'll tell me. Borg Borg list slash home slash SQUID WARD. Oh, look at this. There's something that was hidden. Music archive. All right. That tells us something. Okay. Now, maybe this is what I have to extract. So, this Borg site is a huge help. Borg extract the path. All right, that seems simple enough. All right. So, Borg extract home me downloads final archive and music archive. Oh, I screwed something up. Let's make that a colon. See if that'll do it. No? Oh, Squidward. Huh. All right. we got two new folders here. There's data, and there's home. All right, there's Alex. Well, let's try desktop first. Oh, there's secret.txt there. Could that be... Huh. Shout out to all the people who have gotten to this stage. Whoop whoop. Well, thank you for the shout out. I appreciate it, but this doesn't really tell me anything. All right. Let's try documents. Oh, there's a note.txt. All right. Nice. Now, wow, I'm awful at remembering passwords, so I've taken my friend's advice and noting them down, but this is not where you should have put them. Bad OPSEC. Oh, so here we go. Alex, and there's a password here. All right. So, now that I have this, let's see if we can SSH into Alex's site. Alex at and 10.10.223.59. 10.10.223.59. Okay, sweet. And what's that password here? I'm going to try copy paste. Sometimes this doesn't work for me. Oh, nice, we're in. Okay, sweet. All right, let's look around. There's a user.txt. Let's cat that sucker. All right, got the first flag. Okay. We are down to the last flag. Okay, sweet. What does the hint say? Have you thought about where the config might be? All right, now I got to get the root flag. So let's have a look around. Let's see where what our permissions are. So Alex can run etc mp3 backups / backup.sh. So maybe if I add bash to backup.sh, cat /etc /mp3 backups / backup.sh. Oh, nice. I can even cat it. That is a huge help. I'm surprised I'm allowed to do that. I probably should not have been able to do that. So find a sudo d. So backup.sh is where we're going to get root. Well, get up c flag. Do flag is the command. All right. So I think what I'm going to do is see if I can run, because Alex can run backup.sh. So I'm going to see if I can throw some bash into that. Maybe it should be bin bash, but I'm going to go bash first. Oh, password for Alex. Let's get Alex's password. Well, it didn't say the password was wrong. Let's see. You know, it would help if I actually went into this directory. So, let's change directories into Etsy. All right, and there's backup.sh. And now I can do backup.sh-c. And now that weird password again. Oh, sorry, Alex is not allowed to do that. Well. All right, let's try this again. I'm going to do this because I can do sudo. Oh, I am root. Holy crap. Yep. Yep. So that backup.sh, I was able to run as Alex. Let's see. Well, I'm in the root directory now, so I'm going to cat root.txt because that is what the site said. Root.txt, yep. Let's cross our fingers. Let's try this. It's in here. Oops. All right. I'm going to try one more thing. Etsy. What was it called? Etsy. Oh, yeah, here it is. MP3 backups / backup.sh -c cat / root / root.txt. Huh. Alright, I've never seen this before. Let's do head root.text. Nothing. Why won't it show it to me? Let's try this again. If I go back to Alex. Alright. Now let's try that. Etsy. MP3 backups / backup.sh-c. And now let's do cat / root/root.text. Huh. Let's see. Why do I keep getting... Huh. Where is the root flag on this? Alright, I'm going to exit out of Alex, and I'm going to exit out of root. Huh. Ah, look at this. Look at root.text. That's strange. I've never had to do it this way before. I think that's the flag. I'm going to copy this here. Go back to our room. All right. I am done. We have pwned this room. And I forgot to hit this. Okay. I have pwned this room. So we learned a few things today. One, I learned about Borg, the Borg backup, which was pretty interesting. Learned about what to do in the event that you are root and you don't see any shells here, any flags. I'm just going to do this just for the hell of it, just to see what I get. Backed up files. Anyway, by exiting out of both rooms, I managed to cat the root flag. So we learned a few things. Obviously, no leaving passwords lying around in files. If you have to remember them, write them down someplace else. In any case, we're done with this room. Thanks for sticking around. If you had a good time with me today, please, I hope you will like and subscribe. Tell your friends. And I hope to see you all in the next room. Until then, bottoms up and hack the planet.